At the start of the new year, all work permit and S-Pass holders must have COVID-19 medical insurance coverage of at least $10,000 before entering Singapore. The Manpower Ministry says that this will cover their expenses if they develop COVID-19 symptoms or test positive within 14 days of arrival. Now, some firms are already cutting back on new headcount, while others expect premiums to go up by as much as 20%. Tan Se-Hui with this report.
Under current pandemic requirements, employers must bear the cost of dedicated SHN facilities for foreign workers and inpatient medical bills if they develop COVID-19 symptoms. As an added measure in the new year, all new and existing work permit and S-Pass holders must have COVID-19 insurance ahead of their arrival. One construction firm that had intended to bring in 50 workers has now decided to cut that number by half because of cost issues.
We have to prepare to pay 44,000, and that is a very optimistic estimate, because if, let's say, more than 50% or half of them tested positive during the SHN, the figure will be probably extended by 2 or 3 times. So we are really pretty worried about getting in worker at this moment.
One foreign domestic worker agency we spoke to says it's now reviewing coverage and premiums with insurance providers. It's also informed customers of the additional cost.
That's why we foresee a 10 to 20% increase in premium costs for our customers and our employers. For those who are currently, while this new regulation only impacts the new arrivals, I would expect that the current employers today would likely want to explore upgrading or renewing their insurance policies to include COVID-19 treatments, especially with this recent announcement.
While this may not be a move welcomed by all employers, Mr. Tan says the higher premium is small in comparison to an actual hospitalization bill.